If you're seeing Epic Games error code 2503 and sometimes error 2502 along with it, don't worry. This is usually a Windows permission issue during installation, and in this video I'll show you the quickest way to fix it. The good news is that you can often solve this by running the installer through command prompt as an administrator instead of launching it normally. This method helps bypass the permission problem that causes the installer to fail. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is very important, because if you don't open it with admin rights, the fix may not work properly. Once the command prompt window opens, you need to type the Windows installer command manually. Start with msiexec/I, then add the full file path of your Epic Games installer. For example, if your installer is saved on the C drive, the command might look like this: msiexec/ic:\\epicgameslauncher.msi. Make sure the file path matches the exact location and name of your installer. If your file is in a different folder, update the path accordingly. After typing the full command, press enter to run it. At this point, Windows should launch the installer with elevated permissions, which often fixes error code 2503 and 2502 by avoiding the access issue that caused the problem in the first place. If the installer opens correctly, continue with the setup as normal and complete the installation. If you still run into trouble, double check that command prompt was opened as administrator and that the installer path is correct. In many cases, this simple method is enough to get Epic Games Launcher installed without the error interrupting the process. So, just to recap, the fix is to open command prompt as administrator, use the msiexec/I command with your installer path, and press enter to run the installation with the proper permissions. This is one of the most effective ways to solve Epic Games error code 2503 on Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.